So next exercise 12.3 question number first. Given that PQ is 24 cm, this is a circle, and PQ is 24 centimeter, PR is 7 centimeter, and RQ is diameter of the circle. So we have to find out area of shaded region. So solution. Now there is geometry is involved a little bit. How in 9th standard in circles chapter we have studied that a angle formed at the center is double the angle formed at any segment, right? If we consider these 2 points, so angle formed at the center will be double the angle formed at any segment. So using that, we know that angle RPQ is equal to half of angle ROQ, right? Reason for it is angle formed at any segment is half of the angle formed at center, right? So angle formed at any segment is half of the angle formed at center. So now RPQ is equal to half of ROQ. So we can say angle RPQ will be equal to half of 180 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. So that means from now we can say this is 90 degree angle, right? Now using Pythagoras theorem, if we apply Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. So which means RQ square is equal to RP square plus PQ square, which is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. Now 24 square is 576. So RQ square is equal to 576 plus 49, which is equal to 625. So this implies RQ is 25. Now RQ is diameter. So radius of the circle is half of diameter, which is 25 upon 2, right? Now let's apply area. We have to find out area of shaded region. So area of shaded region will be equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle RPQ, right? Area of shaded region will be equal to area of semicircle minus area of this triangle. So let's apply. Area of semicircle is half pi r square minus area of triangle is half base into height. So base into height. So which is equal to half. You can take half common also. Pi value is 22 by 7. R is 25 by 2. Multiply 25 by 2. Minus base into height. Base is 24, multiply height is 7, right? So applying this, we get half 22, 11 upon 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 11 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25 is 625 minus 24 multiplied by 7, 7 4 28, and 7 2 14, 15 16, 168, right? So on taking LCM, half 11 multiplied by 625 is 55, 22 and 5 27, 2 66 and 2 68, 6875 minus 168 multiplied by 14, 2352. So 2352 divided by 14, right? So we can say this is 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 2, 5 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5, and 6 minus 2 is 4, 4523 upon 28, right? Centimeter square. So this is our answer, right? Nothing we have done, just area of semicircle minus area of this triangle. Now let's move on to second question. So in this, two concentric circles are given, right? So radius of smaller circle is 7 centimeter. R1 is equal to 7 centimeter. R2, radius of greater circle, is 14 centimeter, right? And theta is 40 degree. 40 degree, right? So what we have to find out? We have to find out area of shaded region. So we know that area of shaded region is equal to what? Area of greater sector or larger sector minus area of smaller sector. Very easy, right? बड़े वाले में से छोटे वाले सेक्टर को माइनस करेंगे तो वील गेट द शेडेड रीजन, राइट? सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन इज एरिया ऑफ ग्रेटर सेक्टर थीटा अपॉन 360 पाई r1 स्क्वायर माइनस, okay, r1 is smaller, so r2 square minus theta upon 360 pi r1 square. Now drag the calculation till last step. Theta is 40 upon 360, pi is 22 by 7. So taking these two things common, r2 square is 14 square minus 7 square, right? Now a plus b, a square minus b square is, so 40 upon 360, this will be 1 upon 9. So 1 by 9 multiply 22 by 7. A plus b, a minus b is 14 minus 7, 14 plus 7, right? So this is equal to 1 by 9 multiply 22 by 7 multiply 7 multiply by 14 plus 7 is 21, right? 7 to 7 cancel, 3 times 3 7 times, 7 to 14 154 upon 3 centimeter square. This is the answer. So in this we have to find out the area of the shaded region. So this is a square, it is given, and the side of the square is 14 centimeter. Side 14 centimeter. Now we know that the side of the square is 14 centimeter and these are two semicircles. So we know that area of shaded region will be equal to, or area required is equal to area of square minus area of two semicircles, right? So area of semicircle, now side is 14 centimeter, this is 14 centimeter, right? This one. So diameter, radius will be equal to diameter upon 2, which is 14 upon 2, because diameter is equal to side, right? So 14 upon 2, which is 7. So let's put the value. So area of square is 14 multiply 14 side square minus area of two semicircles. So 2 multiply by pi r square upon 2. Pi r square upon 2 is the area of a semicircle and two semicircles are there. 196 minus 2 to 2 get cancelled. 22 by 7, r value is 7 multiply 7. 196 minus 154. So this will be 42 centimeter square. 42 centimeter square is the answer of this question, third question. Now in this we have to find out the area of the shaded region where OAB is an equilateral triangle with side 12 centimeter. The side is 12 centimeter, and this is an equilateral triangle. So angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Region is equilateral triangle, all the angles will be equal to 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. This implies theta is 60 degree, right? Now we have to find out the area of this region. So area required is equal to area of this sector, right? We call it major sector, plus area of equilateral triangle, right? So area of major sector is 360 minus theta upon 360 multiply by pi r square. So pi value we have to take 22 by 7 as no information is given. So 22 by 7 multiply r value is 6 multiply by 6 plus area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4, side square 12 multiply by 12, right? So 360 minus 60 is 300 upon 360 multiply by 22 by 7 multiply 6 multiply 6 plus 4 3 is a 12, 12 3 36 root 3, right? So just simplify this and you will get the answer, required answer, right? First solve this portion and then add this one. So remember root 3 value is 1.73, so you can put that value also, right? Or I'll show you till the last calculation. 0 0 10 times, 12 times, 5 times, 6 times, 6 to 6 cancel. So 22 multiply 5 is 110, 110 multiply 6 is 660 upon 7 plus 36 1.73, right? So find out this value in decimal and then add both the values, right? So you will get the answer. Next, now this is question number 5. We have to find out area of this shaded region. So we know that side square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter. So radius is 1 centimeter, R1, right? Similarly, another circle at the center R2 is 2 centimeter. So this is R1 and this is R2, right? And the side value of the square is it is given in the question, it is 4 centimeter, side 4 centimeter. Now let's apply area of shaded region. Think logically what you have to do. Area of shaded region will be area of square minus area of this circle minus area of 4 quadrants, right? So area of square minus area of bigger circle minus area of 4 quadrants, right? So area of square is side square 4 square minus area of bigger circle pi r2 square minus 4 bracket 1 by 4. Area of each quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square, pi r1 square. 4 to 4 cancel. 4 square is 16 minus pi value is 22 by 7, right? So 22 by 7 we can take common. R2 square is 2 square minus R1 square is 1 square. 16 minus 22 by 7. 2 square 4 minus 1 is 3, right? Now 16 multiply 7, 7 6 42, 2 and 4 7 1 7 and 4 11 minus 22 multiply 3 is 66 divided by 7, right? So 112, 12 minus 6 is 6, 10 minus 6 is 4, 46 upon 7 centimeter square. So this is our answer. Okay, so here is some confusion. Diameter of second circle, this is D2. D2 is 2 centimeter, so R2 will be equal to 1 centimeter. So just take 1 centimeter, 1 square minus, okay, you have taken minus sign common, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. So here it will be 2 and 2 multiplied by 22 is 44. So 112 minus 44 is 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 10 minus 4 is 6, 68 upon 7 centimeter square. Let's make it correct. This is diameter. Diameter is given in the question, right? So this is our solution. Next we have question number 6. So in question number 6 it is given that a pattern is there, side table cover pattern is there, right? Let us draw this figure and in this way, and this is the pattern. Whose area we want to determine, and this is a circular table with radius 32 centimeter. So radius is 32, right? This is 32 centimeter, right? So if I join it in this way, so all will be 32, O, A, B, C, right? So we know that this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so theta here, if this is theta, so theta will be equal to, theta is a angle formed at the segment, right, at the center is double the angle formed at any segment. So if this is 60, this will be 120, or we can use theta is equal to 360 upon n, 360 upon 3, 120 degree. Now area of shaded region, this means if we determine the area of the segment and triple of if we multiply it by 3 times, so you will get the answer, right? So here theta involved is 120 degree. That means the questions involving 120 degree as the angle has been deleted from the syllabus due to this pandemic. So we don't have to do this question simply. If theta is 120 degree, okay, if you want we can solve it also. I'll tell you how to solve. Suppose this is a triangle, right? Now OBC, let it be a perpendicular D, right? So if this whole is 120, this will be 60, right? So OD, now OD upon OC will be OD upon OC. Okay, trigonometry is involved here, and you don't know about trigonometry, so let's skip this question, and this has been deleted from the syllabus. In the next video we'll be discussing further questions. Thank you for watching.